to grow is to be accountable. Earlier, di po
Ngayon, humihingi ka ng apology, pero binabasa mo naman.
Personally apologize.
Hindi ka naman sincere.
So, I would
Tingnan
like
nyo,
to take this opportunity
di ba?
to say
Halatang-halata
sorry
naman.
to
Hindi ka
Tia
sincere.
Jeannie for what
Pero
I've
advice
caused.
ko sa'yo, huwag
And,
ganun.
of course,
Pag rider
as
ka,
well as
dapat
those
mahabang
people
pasensya
who
mo.
got dragged into the issue.
Maunawain. Ganon.
Sorry din po sa
Hindi yung
citizen
angas,
of
yung feeling mo,
Zambales,
titingalain ka ng mga
the
tao.
riding community,
Feeling mo, kayo yung hari
especially
ng
the
kalye.
off-road
Hindi nyo
community.
pag-ahari yung kalye, ha?
This issue
Hindi ko
is
nilalahat
all
ang
on me.
rider, pero
I'm
marami
still
talaga
learning.
mga maaangas ng
This one
rider.
especially, the hard
Kaya,
way.
next time, mag-ingat
I
ka kasi
promise
baka
to be
mamaya
more patient
makatapat
next
ka.
time, especially on the road.
Mas
And
matindi
I'll
pa yung
listen to my
angas sa'yo.
ates and kuyas.
Mahirap na. Kahit
Na-feel
babae,
ko na po yung
patulan ka.
mundong maraming galit.
So,
and
yun
ayoko
lang.
na pong maulit po yun.
Ay,
Sorry
nako,
po,
buhay
at
talaga.
pasensya po ulit. Maraming salamat po.